In today's video, I'm going to teach you the legitimate method, the ultimate guide on how to download the InShot Pro for free. This video is for educational purpose. I don't want anybody to misuse this method. This opportunity I'll be sharing with you in this video. Meanwhile, it's not really easy as a new or small creator or someone who looking to master video editing from scratch and be paying for premium apps or software every month when most of us don't even have a bank account, neither a credit card. For me, I'm very unfortunate that even paper is not yet available in my country. So most of the thing I do on the internet is just by the grace of God. But before you can download the InShot Pro, there are two things you have to do. Number one, you have to download the Telegram app. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Google Play Store and create a brand new account. Number two, you have to uninstall the InShot app you downloaded from the Google Play Store, and I will display the final method in the tutorial. But before then, hi and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time you're coming across my channel, don't forget to hit the like button so the YouTube algorithm can push this video to more people. Also, subscribe to this channel, become a member of this community. So whenever I hit upload, you'll be the first person to get notified. Not to waste much of your time, let's dive in. Now, this is my Telegram app as you can see on the screen. Once you download it from the Google Play Store, make sure you tap on it. This is how the interface is going to look like. All right, then you can then hit the search bar and search for premium access to 10,000 plus mobile software. Make sure you choose the second one that you are seeing, right? Once you tap on it again, premium access to 10,000 mobile software. All right, as you are seeing, make sure you click the second link. Then once you are on the homepage, tap file, click on file. These are all the pro software that are uploaded on this channel. Then you can scroll a bit and hit the search bar at the corner there. Okay, then you search for InShot. Let me search for the InShot app so that we can proceed with the rest. You are seeing the InShot, the latest version that have been uploaded is at the top, right? You can just click on it to download it. That green icon you are seeing is going to be downloaded gradually so that you can use it. All right, I already have it on my phone. I'm now going to download it twice. Once it's done downloading, just tap on it and you'll be given the option to install it. Thanks for watching, and I love to see you in my next video. This method is legit and it's going to work out 100%. But if you encounter any problem during the process, feel free to reach out to me in the comments and we're going to solve it out like easy peasy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.